How to easily create a CV using ChatGPT. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In Ask Anything, type in make a CV in image format and then add your details. Add your details like name, location, work experience, educations, skills, and after you're done doing that, simply click on send. After that, ChatGPT will make your CV in image format. As you can see, mine is created in this way. At right side, I have added this CV by downloading it. You can also download by clicking on arrow-like option in the picture in this way. And this is how to easily create a CV using ChatGPT. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.